Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change checkbox border color in Excel. Okay, let's begin. Hold Control, select any checkbox. You change the color. You change single color or multiple color. The same way, hold Control, select multiple checkbox. Right click your mouse. Now see this format object or fill color, outline color. Go to format object, color and lines, line colors. Change your colors. Select color green. Dash size, style, weight. Now click OK. Now see this change border color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.